We'll guide you through how to screen mirror a Samsung phone to a TV. If you find this useful, then consider subscribing and liking the video. This is really convenient to do because then you can go and have the phone screen on the TV. You can go and see it much bigger. So you can go and present things and you can go and show what's on your phone screen on your TV. So make sure it's this full guide and don't skip ahead. Otherwise, you may go and miss an important part of this video. First of all, we want to make sure that both the TV and the phone are connected to the same Wi-Fi. That's really important because potentially in some cases, you can go and have multiple internet boosters throughout your house, and so they can go and be connected to different networks. So what you want to do is you can come onto the TV, and I'll keep this guide broad because of course the TV can vary a little bit. For the phone, it's going to go and be the same. So on the TV for this to work does need to go and be able to be connected to the internet, and it also needs to go and have the screen mirroring and screen sharing function. We'll guide you through how you can find that setting later on and just to go and check that your TV has got it. So what you want to do on the TV is on the remote, go and see if there's a settings button. There isn't one on this remote, so instead we'll just go and press the home button. So on the home page, you can go and see if you go and see an option for settings. I've looked and there isn't one immediately on the home screen. What we need to do is come to the side menu and we can then go and press to the left. This opens up and you can tap down and go and find settings and click OK on it and it will open up. Then what you want to do is tap down to connection. We can tap down to network and network configuration. And we can see I'm connected to the GR network. So now I know that I'm just going to go and press home. Now let's come onto the Samsung. As you can see, here we are. What you want to do is go and swipe up to open the app pages. At the top, you can go and search for settings or just go and find the settings app. You can swipe across and find it. Then what you want to do is you want to go and find the option for connections at the top. And at the top, you can go and see we're connected to GR. So we're connected to the same network. Now we can go and start the screen mirroring process. So doing this on a Samsung is really quick and convenient. There are different ways you can do it and we'll guide you through that now. So you can go and open up the settings app like this. Come to the main settings page and you need to go and find connected devices. You can tap there. And then what you need to do is come down and find the option for Smart View and tap there. And this will open up and it'll go and start searching. It may go and find your TV, it may not. And also you can get to that page by swiping down at the top like so, dragging down again and dragging down again. And you can then go and find it at the bottom here and you can tap on it and it'll start searching. Your TV may go and just appear here when it's connected to the same network, but it may not always. You may need to go and open up the screen mirroring and screen sharing page on the TV. So once again, press the home button and you can just go and look through here. As often it will just go and be on here. You'll see the option for screen mirroring and screen sharing. On this TV though, you can go and press the home button to get to the sources, or we can go and press sources and inputs in the top here. But you can also press it on the remote and then you can go and tap down and across and go and find that sources and inputs there. Also press it on the remote, you'll get to the same place and you can tap across until we go and see screen sharing and press OK there, it will open up. Now on Smart View, it should go and appear. You may want to go and close off this and reopen up again just so it goes and appears. For me, it's now connecting and shortly it's going to go and appear on the TV. As you can see, that's it.